Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa po like and subscribe sa ating video, pa-subscribe na lang din po sa channel guys. Pahit na notification bell. So let's start. This is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. General love reading. Sa mga gusto mo pa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, yung friend ko guys ha. Siya yung open sa personal reading. Ako pag mag-open ako, sabihin ko na lang. Pero for now, hindi po ako open sa personal reading. Okay, let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo? Temperance, you do have here Ten of Pentacles, Temperance. Tapos yung person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune and the High Priestess. Ayan, tatlong major arcana. Bottom of the deck, you do have here Eight of Swords. Okay, so, wow. Ten of Pentacles, well, kailangan mo lang ng patience. Patience is the key. Okay? Why? Kasi, for what I can see, you are already patient enough eh. Pero may something na malapit nang mabuo sa'yo, matapos sa'yo. Maybe your skills, your talents, maybe even your business, or maybe even your, yung iba, something na wina-work out mo, especially pagdating sa iyong career. Ten of Pentacles is money, and I can see na talagang, binuhos mo lahat dyan eh. Pagmamahal, time, effort, the Wheel of Fortune. I feel like this also is a person na pwedeng malapit na rin magkaroon ng pagbabago sa kanya. And with the High Priestess, this could be someone spiritually connected ka. With the Eight of Swords, well, maybe there's some kind of stuck energy sa inyo, like hindi nag-work out, or maybe you are stuck in a situation, or this person is stuck in a situation, or ang connection ninyo, hindi siya nagpo-push through. Okay? And with the Nine of Swords, pwede magkaroon ng problem dyan. And ito yung maging rason kung bakit magkakaroon ng, like, the lovers. This is a relationship connection. Like, this is so beautiful with the lovers. At nagpapakita kasi siya ng partnership, marriage, friendship, and malaking pagbabago sa connection ninyo. And yun ay dahil yung iba sa inyo with the Temperance, naghintay ka rin naman talaga na magkaroon ng pagbabago. Hindi ka nagsawa, hindi ka basta sumuko. And then itong person na to, kumbaga the universe will do its best na pagtagpuin itong spiritual person for you, like your soulmate. Na the High Priestess, parang ito, showing to me as your soulmate eh. Okay? The way I see this, it's like, you are meant for each other eh. You are meant to be. Okay? The way I see this, ito pa lang sa major arcanas and sa main energy mo, the Temperance, it looks like parang binibake na something, or maybe like a mixture of a hot cake or pancake. And maybe yung iba sa inyo may kinalaman nyo sa sarili mo. Maybe may something kang binubuo sa sarili mo. And then right after mo matapos ito, mabuo ito, I mean, your person is ready, the High Priestess, or itong person na ito ay nire-ready. Or, sorry, the other way around. Ikaw ay nire-ready para sa person na ito. Yung iba sa inyo iisipin, hindi ready yung person ko. But the truth is, maybe the universe sees you as the one na hindi ready. At ikaw ang nire-ready niya. Okay? Maybe may mga lessons sa buhay mo ngayon na kailangan mong matutunan. Then once na natutunan mo na yon, yung person na ito, nandyan lang siya eh. Kailangan mo lang ayusin pa ang sarili mo. 'Di ba? And nakikita natin malapit na. Malapit na yan. Malapit ka na mabuo. Okay. So what is the emotion between you and this person? Ano ang emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Person nakakonect mo at ikaw, anong emosyon niya sa isa't isa. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Queen of Wands is here. Four of Cups. Six of Pentacles. Nine of Swords. Ito yung sa person mo. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Clarify the Four of Cups and the Queen of Wands. Clarified by the Judgment and the King of Pentacles. Nine of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Well, this is movement. Maganda yan with the Knight of Swords. Kung ano yung emotions, Knight of Swords and the Knight of Wands. Ang maganda dito, pareho kayong may movement. Hindi iisa lang. Ayan, nakukuha natin dito. Kaya with the Star, there's like with regards sa inyong future, gusto ninyo ng makuha ito ma-achieve ito, the Star. Yung pangarap ninyo. This is like you. Gusto mong maging masaya, di ba? And this person, gusto rin niya maging masaya. And I feel like ito yung magiging feeling ninyo right after ninyong makuha yung isa't isa or matapos kung anong goals ninyo together. There's like a new beginning for the both of you. And pareho tayong nakakakita ng pareho kong nakukuha yung energy ninyo na parang willing kayong mag-take ng risk. Alam mo, Knight of Wands and Knight of Swords, this is like an action card sa parehong side ninyo na pwedeng may kinalaman sa pagtitake ng action regarding dito sa connection ninyo. Queen of Wands, well, I feel like may mga bagay na uungkatin mo. And because of this, well, I cannot tell honestly with the Queen of Wands kasi pwedeng ito sa paligid mo And because of this, with the Four of Cups, pwedeng ito yung maging dahilan kung bakit parang hindi ka na sigurado sa mga bagay na nasa paligid mo ngayon, mga taong nasa paligid mo. Might be with the Judgment, magkaroon ka ng realizations. Yun na parang, ay teka lang, ayoko pala nito. Kasi I deserve better This is you with the King of Pentacles. Pwedeng ayaw mo na ng magsettle sa less. You always want more and you want the best for you. Okay? And maybe ito yung maging reason kung bakit you will get rid of something sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo, sa ikaw mismo. Pwede may mga bagay ka tatanggalin. Or with regards to your person, people in your life, maybe may mga tao kang aalisan, or maybe mga career na hindi na masyado nag-workout para sa'yo. Or mga tao sa iyong career na pwedeng mawala sa buhay mo. No, kasi makikita mo, teka lang, parang hindi na ako sure dito. Okay, and the universe is actually helping you na mangyari yun, na magawa yun. Seven of Pentacles, this is the person that you're dealing with. Nakakita tayo dito ng growth with regards to this person. Itong person na to, with the Seven of Pentacles, ito yung growth na hindi minadali. And hindi ako magtataka for some of you if this person is matagal na connection na. Okay? Kasi ito yung like universe is talagang gumagawa siya ng paraan na hindi to in an instant naging kayo or nagkaroon ng like nakuha nyo lahat agad-agad Parang ganun. Like a connection na pwedeng naging matagal din bago makuha. Okay? And the Nine of Swords, this is like a problem sa person mo. Six of Pentacles na pwedeng bubungad sa kanya. And it's like the energy of it's now or never. Okay? So, like, pareho kayo naging mabait ng person na ito. But, maybe this time around, mas magiging i-highlight ngayon yung mga bagay na gusto talaga ninyo sa sarili ninyo. At pareho ninyo makikita yon. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future for the sign of Virgo, you do have the Devil, Six of Wands. This is Capricorn energy, Major Arcana, side ng person mo in the near future. 7 of Cups, ayan, at saka 7 of Swords, ayan. Two of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. Oh, meron tayong angel number, the 777. That is a lucky number. That is a lucky number, guys. Unang reading pa lang natin. Napakaswerte na, no? Unang labas pa lang ng card. It's the 10 of Pentacles. That is money. Maybe even millions sa iba. Okay? The 7 of Wands, 7 of Cups, and 7 of Swords, 777 is also a lucky number. Yun yung tinatawag nating swerte. 'Di ba? Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, alam ko maraming gumagamit niya ng 777 na yan sa, like, kahit sa mga application na may kinalaman sa casino or what. Kasi why? 777 is a number na biglaan. Like, biglaang pagbabago, biglaang change, which is may kinalaman sa money. And maybe it has something to do with you, Two of Pentacles, and or sa connection din ninyo. Biglang mababago yung connection ninyo, mapupunta sa much better connection, and then bigla ang mababago din ang finances mo, kasama itong person na ito, and the Two of Pentacles, like this is an energy na maybe, from being at the bottom, pwedeng walang-wala kang idea about sa kung ano yung itatakbo ng connection na ito, mapupunta siya into something na parang, biglang nag-grow. Biglaan eh. No? And the Devil is here. This is Capricorn energy. And maybe, nakikita ko dito yung energy ni Lilith. Lilith is a black moon. Lilith is a black moon. Sa astrology, ang kwento nito, ang myth nito, ganito yan eh. Well, regardless kung ano ang iyong religion ha, hindi ko alam kung pwede sa religion to or hindi or what. Kasi yung iba, pwedeng hindi Adan at Eva ang alam. But anyway, the energy of the Black Lilith, si Eva at Adan at Eva, sila yung unang ginawa ni God na na tao. Si Lilith is pinaniniwalaan siya as unang asawa talaga ni Adan. Okay? Pero ayaw niyang anong tawag dito? Magpasakop kay Adan, which is the story is dapat ang babae is magpapasakop dun sa lalaki. And regardless of her gender, this is just a myth. And yun nga, hindi siya nagpasakop, so umalis siya dun sa Garden of Eden. So siya yung unang rebelde. And siya yung pinaniniwalaan nila parang unang babaeng palaban, parang ganun. And the devil is showing us that as the Black Lilith, someone na gusto ko to, gagawain ko to. Kahit pa ayaw nyo, kahit pa maraming ang tingin ay mali, kahit pa yung iba bawal sa atin or bawal sa batas, bawal sa paningin ng iba, this is what I want. And this is what I'm seeing here. No? May mga bagay na pwedeng spiritually pwede or kayo talaga like meant for each other kind of energy. Pero pwedeng sa mata ng mga tao bawal. Some of you, this could be a connection, relationship, even a third party situation na pwedeng magkaroon na sa katuparan kahit pa imposible, bawal. The Six of Wands is here. Marami ang magugulat, not only with regard sa connection ninyo, marami ang magugulat sa'yo. bigla kang umayos, bigla kang sinwerte, bigla kang nag-boom. Bakit? Kasi maraming kang inayos sa buhay mo na magulo. Na hindi ka nagkakaroon ng growth kasi magulo eh. 'Di ba? And now that you are trying to fix this, nagkakaroon ng kaayusan. No? Nagkakaroon ito ng balik sa'yo na mas maganda palalo. Okay? So, and also pagdating sa love guys, may mga biglaang mangyayari sa'yo. Be ready for that. Thank you for watching. I love you all guys. Please do like and subscribe. Pa-comment sa baba. Kahit heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yon. Nakakagana yon mag-reading pag ganon. And I love you all. Bye-bye.